So we're now going to have a quick look at the vintage tractors. Yeah, but would it work okay?
Well, it's no good for anything.
How old do you think this one is? In the shed, what it should look like.
It's sprayed up. I used to have one of those, 565.
So here you've got a really big queue of tractors and they're all waiting to go onto the actual pavilion itself.